Tired of just watching your money sit there? Let's transform your investments into a reliable income stream. First, dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and strong financials. Next, consider the strategy of covered calls. You sell someone the option to buy stock you already own, and they pay you for it. This works best with stocks you don't expect to dramatically increase in value anytime soon, so you can collect some cash on them. Value investing involves finding stocks that are trading below their intrinsic worth. Do your research. Look for companies with solid fundamentals that the market may be underestimating. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to minimize risk. Risk management is crucial. Understand your risk tolerance and set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, and commit to continuous learning by staying updated on market trends and investment strategies. By implementing these strategies and staying informed, you can build a sustainable income stream through the stock market. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tips. #StockMarketIncome #investing tips.